Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the many facets of personal development and growth. Today, we're diving deep into an essential, yet often overlooked, aspect of becoming your best self, the ability to learn from your mistakes. This skill is not just valuable, it is absolutely priceless. Let's explore why that is and how you can harness the power of your past missteps to drive future success. Embracing imperfection. Imagine a world where everything you attempted came out perfect the first time. While this might sound like a utopia, it's actually a dystopia in disguise. When everything is perfect, there is no room for growth, innovation, or improvement. Mistakes are not just inevitable, they are essential. They are the stepping stones that pave the path to greatness. The psychology behind mistakes. The human brain is wired to avoid failure. Evolutionarily, mistakes often meant danger or death. However, in the modern world, the stakes are usually much lower. Understanding the psychology behind why we fear mistakes can help us reframe them as opportunities rather than threats. One, fight or flight response. When we make a mistake, our body's natural response is to trigger the fight or flight mechanism. Understanding this can help us remain calm and composed in the face of errors. 2, cognitive dissonance. This is the uncomfortable feeling we get when our actions don't align with our beliefs or expectations. Learning to live with this discomfort is a crucial part of personal growth. The value of mistakes. Point 1, learning opportunities. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise. When you fail, you gain insights into what doesn't work, which can guide you toward what does. 2, building resilience. The more you fail, the more resilient you become. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, and it's a vital trait for long-term success. 3, improving problem-solving skills. Mistakes force you to think critically and creatively to find solutions. This hones your problem-solving skills, making you more adept in various situations. 4, fostering innovation. Many of the world's greatest inventions were born from mistakes. For example, the discovery of penicillin and the invention of the microwave oven were both happy accidents. 5, personal growth. Mistakes help you grow as a person. They teach humility, patience, and perseverance. They also help you understand your strengths and weaknesses, which is crucial for self-improvement. How to learn from your mistakes. Point 1, acknowledge the mistake. The first step in learning from a mistake is to acknowledge it. Denial only prolongs the learning process. 2, analyze what went wrong. Take a step back and objectively analyze what led to the mistake. Was it a lack of preparation, poor judgment, external factors? 3, take responsibility. Own up to your mistakes. Blaming others or external circumstances will only impede your growth. 4, learn the lesson. Once you've identified the root cause, extract the lesson. What can you do differently next time to avoid making the same mistake? 5, apply the lesson. The final step is to apply what you've learned. Make the necessary changes and move forward with the newfound knowledge. Real-life examples of learning from mistakes. 1, Thomas Edison. He famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His relentless pursuit of success, despite countless failures, eventually led to the invention of the electric light bulb. 2, J.K. Rowling. Before becoming the world-renowned author of the Harry Potter series, she faced numerous rejections from publishers. Her ability to learn from these setbacks and keep improving her manuscript was crucial to her eventual success. 3, Steve Jobs. He was fired from Apple, the company he co-founded. Instead of giving up, he went on to create Next and Pixar, both of which were highly successful. He eventually returned to Apple, bringing with him the lessons he had learned during his time away. Practical tips for embracing mistakes. Point 1, keep a mistake journal. Document your mistakes and the lessons you've learned from them. This can serve as a valuable resource for future reference. 2, seek feedback. Sometimes, we're too close to a situation to see where we went wrong. Seeking feedback from others can provide new perspectives. 3, cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This mindset makes you more open to learning from mistakes. 4, celebrate small wins. Recognize and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. This can help keep you motivated and focused on your growth journey. 5. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Understand that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a friend in a similar situation, the priceless part of growth. In conclusion, the ability to learn from your mistakes is a priceless part of growth. It transforms failures into stepping stones, setbacks into setups for comebacks, and challenges into opportunities for greater success. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and watch as you evolve into the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal development and growth. And remember, every mistake is a lesson waiting to be learned. That's it for today's video. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. After all, they are the keys to unlocking your full potential. Feel free to add any personal anecdotes, questions, or comments in the section below. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be discussing insert next topic. See you soon. Thank you for watching. And remember, growth begins where comfort ends.